Welcome back to the studio. Today I'd like to introduce one of Faucet Strommen's finest baths, the Norsk. It's 1700 in size, consisting of soft curves and introducing soft lines into your bathroom design.
Situated to my left, we have the Hague back-to-wall, another gorgeous bespoke design by Silkstone. The 260 litre capacity bath has an appearance of a freestanding bathtub, but a back-to-wall construction. Really clever for the families that are looking for a dual-purpose shower bath combination. Water doesn't get behind the bath, allowing for an easy, clean, maintenance-free bathtub.
Today I'd like to introduce the LB bath, Faucet Strommen's largest bath at 1740 in size in the Silkstone range. Great for any family. You can throw in a few kids or comfortably seat two for that comfortable, cozy afternoon in your master ensuite. The only thing missing is a few glasses and a nice bottle of wine.
Silkstone baths are engineered in Germany and offer a 25-year warranty. Specifically designed with the dual wall construction, the Silkstone hinge here in front of me complements the range with a matching basin. With the dimensions of 1350mm and a 400 litre capacity, this gorgeous round bath could be the perfect new addition for your bathroom. One of the key features to the Silkstone brand is its unique surface. Repairable throughout its lifetime, the dual construction is all the way through the body of the bath and their basins.